The F-22 Metal Detector from Fisher Research Labs, leading innovators in metal detection technology since 1931. The F-22 is a weatherproof, rugged outdoor product built to withstand the elements. The F-22 separates trash from treasure by utilizing innovative target discrimination and ID technologies. When metal objects are detected, the detector will simultaneously emit one of 4 tones, illuminate one of 9 target ID category icons, and a 2-digit target ID number will appear on the screen. Possible target ID numbers range from 1 to 99. This number, tone, and category icon represents the electrical conductivity of the target and can be used to determine the probable ID of the buried target. FE tone, adjustable iron audio control, allows the user to set iron audio levels, making it easy to hear the treasure over trash. This, coupled with the F-22's unparalleled quick recovery speed, allow this unit to further single out treasure in and amongst the trash. Fisher's exclusive, deep-reaching 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical waterproof search coil penetrates deep underground, easily detecting coin-sized targets at 9+ inches and larger targets at much greater depths. Powerful and versatile enough for the veteran with a customizable hunt mode and adjustable settings, yet simple enough for the novice with easy-to-use turn-on-and-go treasure hunting modes. The F-22 is proudly made in the USA and has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Fisher F-22, built Fisher tough.
This is the Vanquish Metal Detector from Minelab. Simple yet powerful, this treasure detector is perfect for anyone starting out or stepping up their detecting game. It's powered by Minelab's multi-IQ engine, the same technology professionals love in the industry's best-selling detector, the Minelab Equinox series. With multi-IQ technology, you get a full range of frequencies that scan and work simultaneously, so you can find all metals in all soils all the time. With Vanquish, nothing goes undetected. With Vanquish Iron Bias, you'll find less trash. And for those who want even greater control, low iron bias provides optimum precision. Vanquish was born ready. Turning it on will automatically run noise cancel, which puts a stop to any electrical interference, from thunderstorms to power lines, that stand between you and your treasure. With a unique collapsible snap lock system, Vanquish is easy to pack and go. Its lightweight, sleek design means you can detect in comfort for hours without tiring. And a water-resistant control pod with included rain cover and waterproof coil means you can take it anywhere, anytime. Field, park, or beach. Using proven and finely tuned algorithms from the Minelab Equinox series, Vanquish outperforms other detectors in wet sand and salt water. Vanquish is feature-packed, giving you the freedom to detect your way, including multi-IQ technology, beach advantage, pinpoint mode, adjustable volume, Bluetooth wireless audio, and 4 fine modes, including the ability to create a custom profile, waterproof coils, water-resistant control pod, and red LED backlight for low light vision. The Vanquish is available in an 8, 10, or 12-inch coil. More coils equal greater flexibility. Detect deeper, more precisely, or in tighter spaces. It's up to you. Vanquish comes in 4 variants: Vanquish 340, Vanquish 440, Vanquish 540, and the Vanquish 540 Pro Pack. Whether you're searching for the best starter detector or the ultimate treasure packout, there's a Vanquish for you. This is the new Minelab Vanquish with multi-IQ. And this is truly groundbreaking.
The Time Ranger Pro offers power and performance never before seen in bounty hunter metal detectors. Featuring advanced treasure hunting technologies like adjustable volume control of various targets, set target tone response to quickly identify a range of targets, one-touch computer-assisted ground balancing, on-the-fly ground mineralization level information. The Time Ranger Pro displays a buried object's ID as a 2-digit number in the center of the large LCD display screen. Quickly locate the precise location of the buried object and determine the buried object's depth by pressing the pinpoint button. The Time Ranger Pro is equipped with a deep-seeking, waterproof 11-inch Double D search coil and can detect small objects like coins up to 10 inches deep, while larger targets can be detected much deeper. At 19 kHz operating frequency, the Time Ranger Pro is a phenomenal relic and coin detector. But where the Time Ranger Pro separates itself from the pack is in its ability to detect gold jewelry and even small gold nuggets. Other detectors cannot. This well-balanced, lightweight metal detector only weighs 2.5 pounds, making it fun and enjoyable to use for almost anyone. Bounty Hunter proudly backs this American-made and designed metal detector with our industry-leading 5-year warranty. Time Ranger Pro. What will you find?
Hi, my name is Brandon Neist, host of Minelab's Treasure Talk blog and the YouTube channel Dr. Tones 24K. And today, I'm super excited to share with you Minelab's new metal detector, the Equinox. The Equinox series is great for both serious beginners and experts who are wanting to step up into Minelab's multi-frequency performance. There's 2 great models to choose from.
The entry-level Equinox 600 and the top-of-the-range Equinox 800.
Both models are fully submersible for detecting rivers, lakes, and beaches, no matter how cold the water is.
They're powered by a built-in lithium-ion battery that has a runtime of 12 hours and is USB rechargeable.
Aside from being fully submersible, the Equinox is also extremely lightweight, and both models come with built-in Bluetooth, low-latency aptX, and Minelab's very fast Y-Stream technology.
The Equinox 600 comes standard with wired headphones. The Equinox 800 comes standard with both fast Bluetooth headphones and a wireless audio module for use with your favorite pair of headphones. There's also many other audio options to choose from.
Both models come standard with 11-inch Double D coil. 6-inch and 15x12 coils are also available as accessories. The Equinox is equally adaptable to all target types and all environments. All you have to do is select the location and let the machine do the rest. Now let's take a look in depth at the Equinox detect modes.
Park mode is ideal for use in high trash environments such as recreational areas and sports grounds. Park mode is also an excellent all-around mode for beginners and is great for large silver coins. Field mode is a good option for low trash areas such as farm fields. It's slightly more sensitive to smaller coins typically found in fields, but it also may detect more trash than park mode will. Beach mode ground balances effortlessly to salt water and sand while maintaining high sensitivity. This is where multi-IQ technology really shines, but more on that later. Gold mode effectively manages iron mineralization to seek out the elusive gold. The 40 kHz high frequency is really sensitive to small nuggets.
There are also many different settings you can adjust on the Equinox, making this machine super versatile.
Noise cancel, ground balance, volume adjust, threshold level, target tone, accept and reject, and recovery speed, perfect for separating targets in trashy areas. It also has a 50-segment notch discrimination scale, and honestly, you don't need more than 50. This will show you whether a target is ferrous or non-ferrous. There are 5 segment groups to visually indicate IDs that have similar characteristics.
The Equinox gives you full control over a wide array of frequencies depending on your target type and environment.
With the Equinox 600, you can choose from 5, 10, and 15 kHz, covering a 3 times frequency range, ideal for large conductive targets. With the Equinox 800, you have the additional higher frequency options of 20 and 40 kHz, giving an extended 8 times range, perfect for smaller targets including gold nuggets.
But there's one more key feature: multi-IQ technology. This is the killer new feature that will obsolete all single-frequency metal detectors on the market today.
Multi-IQ transmits, receives, and processes a wide spectrum of frequencies simultaneously to maximize target detection and minimize ground noise.
There are three important advantages: increased target ID accuracy, reduced noise levels in all ground conditions, and fast recovery speed. Over the past few months, I've had the privilege of testing the Equinox, and after several outings, I can tell you that this detector is going to be my first out every time. You said you wanted it lighter, you said you wanted it faster, you said you wanted multi-frequency, and Minelab delivered. This is the game changer.
Get ready for a whole new metal detecting experience. Ultra-fast recovery speed. Excellent discrimination and unmasking ability. Multi-frequency. Wireless freedom with no latency. High performance and unmatched depth. Brings haunted outsides back to life. Cruise through treasures on land or underwater. Advanced Beach Mode offers very stable operation. Waterproof up to 5 meters. Vibration upon detection of target. Lightweight design. Enjoy detecting for extended hours without fatigue. Stay up to date with online firmware updates and get the most out of your detector. Makro Kruzer series. All-terrain multi-purpose detector offering the best performance and depth at the best price.
The Tracker 4 from Bounty Hunt, a professional quality metal detector with an entry-level price tag. A comfortable and easy-to-use metal detector for adults and kids alike. Find valuable buried metal objects like coins, historical artifacts, and gold and silver almost anywhere. Even your own backyard, but the adventure doesn't stop there. The 8-inch waterproof search coil is perfect for treasure hunting at the beach. The discrimination control eliminates detection of iron and most unwanted targets, while the sensitivity control maximizes depth detection. Small objects, like coins, can be detected up to 8 inches deep. Larger targets can be detected much deeper. The Tracker 4 operates on 2 9-volt batteries and comes with an easy-to-understand user's manual. Bounty Hunter Tracker 4.